Okay, here we are at the Denver Aquarium. Brittney noticed, what did you see? You saw some dolphins in 4D over there, so I have a feeling we will be checking out dolphins in 4D, given her excitement over the whole thing. I'm still not sure about the whole like vlogging thing. I don't know how they're gonna react to that, but I guess we'll find out when we go in there, so let's go in there. Okay, so can we talk about how awkward that photo opportunity was as we came in?
Did we see those photos?
I think we have to like download it at the end and pay for it. I know, exactly, which I really have no intention of doing. What is this?
What does this button do?
Wait, there's a button. The button doesn't work.
And switches.
Why don't the oh, okay. How does this correspond to what? I don't understand. Like far busier than it normally is. I don't think it's ever been this busy when I've come here. It's usually not very busy at all. It's a big-butted turtle. Why is that turtle so big-butted? Does it look pregnant to you?
A little bit.
It looks pregnant.
You just really fat, sir. I want to pet its little head.
Hello, buddy. Oh my god. Oh, it's the fake, it's the not eagle. Okay, so we're waiting for a giant waterfall as soon as what's about to happen here. I'm anxious to see what happens here. Oh my goodness, that is. There's so much water. Okay, so this is basically what this is simulating, is a flash flood. A flash flood is the #1 weather-related cause of death in North America. I did not know that. Kind of looks like a butthole from this angle. Hold me. There she is, gone forever amongst the fishes. See,
Really not that
see,
exciting.
don't you feel better now that you did it though?
Not really.
No?
My knee hurts. I'm old.
That's why I didn't do it.
You told me.
Piranhas. Have you ever seen the movie Piranha?
No, but I want
Oh, it's the knot monkey.
There's a freshwater stingray. It's like a polka dot floor mat. This monkey's creeping me out. Bring that one, Janet.
Damn it, Janet. Hey, buddy. Oh, he sure is.
Because fish are mean to each
Jeepers.
other.
What's over here?
There's supposed to be a crab in there. The coconut crab.
Coconut shrimp?
That sounds delicious.
Doesn't it?
That's what we're doing for dinner.
I guess we're getting coconut shrimp for dinner. Find out what's up here. I don't know, you're the one that wanted to come up here.
He made us walk all the way up here for this stupid thing.
For treasure.
Yeah, no.
And they didn't make us walk up here. You walked up here. Hello, little frogs. Buddy, I hate to break it to you, but we can totally see you. These two fish were once Buddha. Stand there. I want context. That's just...
He has like 5 teeth.
Maybe this guy. Get the ladies. Sea turtles eat these? Nearly 300 species of jellyfish. I did not know that. I know the tiny ones hurt the most. Ooh, those are pretty. There's not much you can do about that. So do you think it was like his favorite toy?
I think it is. Look, he's got more toys in there.
He does. He seems to love that thing. Dude, look at that. That is crazy. Okay, Brittney really wants to touch a stingray.
Guys, we're going to the 4D movie.
What did it feel like? Like a stinger. That's fair.
It jumped up into my hand.
It's like touch me, look.
Sorry.
2 fingers. How can that possibly make a fucking difference? Brittany's going to be doing the hurricane simulator because it's $2 and why the fuck not?
You want to experience this?
No. She looks very nervous. It's just windy. That's all it is. It's just a bunch of wind.
It's just loud sounds.
It's just
and
loud. It's just wind.
slight wind.
That seems about right.
Kansas.
That's
It's worse.
So if you come to the Denver Aquarium, don't spend your money on the hurricane simulator. It's just windy nonsense.
If it was a hot day, that'd be nice.
But it's not.
It's not.
Not even a little.
Buy me a cuttlefish. That's the one thing I didn't see here today.
So you can cuddle with it?
Yeah, they're pretty cute.
Fingerlings? I've never heard of fingerlings before. Oh my god. The future has arrived.
Here.
Large assortment of coffee mugs. All with names on them. $10, that's not bad. Okay, tell me what happened. What just happened to that couple?
That couple that's been like next to us this whole trip, they got caught shoplifting candy.
That sounds about right.
It was a bag of candy.
$28 to get into the aquarium. You can't buy a bag of candy. Why would you? That'd be ridiculous. Why spend the money, right? That was a super fun trip though.
That was fun.
That was a lot of fun. I like this aquarium though. This aquarium is a lot of fun.
Great.
I think we're gonna go try and find some food now, right?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Cool. Alright, well we're gonna get some food, but if you guys like the video, go ahead and throw me a thumbs up. If you're too crazy about it, give it a thumbs down. And if you want to stay up to date on, go ahead and throw me a subscription. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.